Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but one that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. Could the P0171 fault be due to a problem with the EGR? Well, the P0171 fault indicates that the ECU, the car's computer, has detected through the lambda probe or oxygen sensor, that there is an excess of oxygen in the stoichiometric mixture. Then the problem may come from the EGR, yes, but not because the EGR stays open, or stays closed. It could be because it has a crack, or a problem with one of the joints, and through the joint or that crack the exhaust gases are coming out. And in turn, they are entering outside air. But the same thing can also happen with the exhaust manifold. A crack or problem with one of its joints, so, from the moment the exhaust gases originate, until they are detected by the lambda probe or oxygen sensor, they have changed, because exhaust gases are escaping and air is entering, then the reading of the probes is not correct. But it could also be because the lambda probe itself has a problem or is defective and is not giving the correct values. It can also be because a problem with the injection, where there is not enough fuel to make the mixture, through the fuel pump or the injectors. These could be the main causes of this failure. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.